Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. You're gonna probably hear the dogs whining and tippy-tappies because they're following me around. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna water my plants in the sunroom. So I already kind of started and then I was like, oh, let's make a video. So yeah, I guess I'll show you and then talk about it, or you know. Anyway, see you in a bit. Hold on. Alright, so this is my sunroom. I'm holding it by hand, so it might be shaky. So I already watered the Scindapsus back there. These are the pothos I need to water. And then my philodendrons I already watered. So yeah, and then I guess we will also water all of my Hoyas. And those I'm not going to bring down. I'm just going to bottom water them. And yeah, so let me set you up and let's start. Alright guys, so now that the pothos are all washed and hung back up, I'm going to make some fertilized water for my Hoyas. I use just the Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. It seems to work, I think. It's fine. I have like fish emulsion, but that stuff smells, and I'm using that for outdoors now because it smells real bad. So we're going to make a bunch of water for that, and we're going to go water the Hoyas. Alrighty. Alright, so I use about like half of the big spoon of the two. You have a small spoon and a big spoon. It says the small spoon's for indoors and the big spoon's for outdoors, but I use about half of the outdoor one. And I add it to the water. You want to add it after you fill up your container, because if you fill it up with the powder in it, it kind of gets foamy, and it like, I don't know, it gets weird. But I mix it up real good, and then we just pour them into the bottom of my hanging trays. So I'm gonna make a couple. I have 2 containers and then a pitcher, and I'm gonna make all 3 of them. Alrighty. Alright guys, so that's how I water the plants in my sunroom. For the Crimson Princess and the Crimson Queen that are up by my skylight, I do use a step stool. Don't think I'm just like reaching up there. No, I just reach with the step stool. So yeah, it's a lot of back and forth for the Pothos, Scindapsus, and Philodendrons that I have in there. And then the Hoyas, I've just always bottom watered them, so it's just easier. Plus those are hanging higher up in the sunroom, so it's like almost impossible for me to, I would literally need like a step stool and like to go every like foot to get it down. That's too much work. So I simplified it and I just put trays on the bottom, and I fill up the trays every 10-ish days, about. Maybe less. I don't even know. It depends if it's really hot, if I see like the plant's soil's really dry or the leaves are bendy. You know the drill. You know when to water your plants. And if you don't, there's a bunch of when to water your plants or how to know when to water your plant videos. Type that into Google. They'll show you. But yeah, so it is hot. Oh my gosh. You know, I really like summer, but when it gets this hot, I kind of miss fall. I never miss winter. I only like winter for Christmas or New Year's. Like, that's it. That like 2-week period, and then after that, I'm over it. But anyway, random rant. Yeah, that's it. Just a hopefully quick video of me watering and fertilizing some of the plants in my sunroom. And yeah, let me know, how do you guys water your plants? Do you bring plants back and forth to your sink? Do you put them all in your tub and water them? Do you just bottom water? Do you bottom water in place? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, relax, plant, peace out.